NVDA on the monthly chart, you can see last time we had this beautiful bull flag. We broke through and had a 30-point break higher. So we started making the same thing through here, and then we got that push and huge reversal really fast, so it did not hold. So what we're looking for now for February is, can we break and hold that 132 area? If we can break out of there, we can definitely see another move higher, just like we did here. But for now, this break just pulled back that same day. If you remember, we tapped that all-time high and then just reversed. So 132 is the key level to kind of see if we can get that break and hold above. When you're looking at the weekly chart, I love to see kind of what it's held previously and been difficult for it to get through. And if you look left, you can see we've got a really strong area of resistance right through here, and we held under it for a really long time, unable to break and hold above. We got a really quick little push here, held up right above for just a few weeks, kind of kept coming back down and testing it again, but never really able to hold and push. So here we are again. We're right here. We do have the gap fill up to about here. So we can definitely see a push higher to fill that gap, but you can see the struggle right through here to get above and hold. If we're looking at the daily chart, this is that same chop zone that we've been in for a couple weeks now, just unable to break to fill this gap to 142. So we have been tapping and then bouncing back down and then bouncing here. So we have both directions. We can go higher and fill the gap. And we also have this area where we can go lower and tap that trend line once again. So 145 break above is going to get us back bullish and testing our all-time high again. As long as we're holding under this like 128, 129 area, we can just push and head right back down to 115 again. So we really need to get that break above 129 and hold so that we can head on up, fill the gap, and then potentially test this 145 again. Now, if we do get up there to test that 145, keep in mind the last two times that we've tested this trend line, we had significant breaks to the downside. So these are our targets. Anything between 145 and 115 can stay choppy, but we want to see if we can get a break out of this range that we've been holding for the past couple weeks in either direction for more long-term move.